Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my nighttime cleaning routine. First, I'm going to start a load of laundry so it can wash while I'm cleaning up. Next, I'm going to clean the toys out of the tub from bath time. Now I'm going to quickly wipe out the tub so that there isn't any extra water left over. And now I'm on to cleaning the bathroom counter. I'm going to quickly put away anything that isn't supposed to be on the counter and then use my Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in the radish scent to quickly wipe everything down. Now I'm going to be wiping out the sink, and I'm going to be taking the kids' cups and making sure they get washed. Now I'm going to be wiping down the mirror with my microfiber cloth. And the last thing I like to do in the bathroom is give this scent packet a good shake. And I was wiping down the kitchen table, I noticed my son's high chair was kind of dirty, so I'm going to give it a quick wipe down and make a mental note to deep clean this soon. And now by this time, it's time to add fabric softener to the rinse. Now onto the living room, I'm going to wipe down this table and clean up all the toys. Now the wash is finally ready for the dryer. I'll let this dry overnight and then fold it tomorrow morning. And finally onto the kitchen. I'm going to tidy up anything that's not in its place. After I wash the dishes, I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the counters and sweep the floor. I sweep the floors at night and I vacuum up anything in the morning. I also take this time to wipe down the microwave, the front of the dishwasher, the front of the fridge, and the front of the oven. I usually wipe down the oven stovetop, but I actually didn't use the oven stovetop this evening, so it didn't need to be wiped down. That's it for my nightly cleaning routine. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.